How to schedule Instagram and Facebook posts using Meta Business Suite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a super useful skill for social media marketers, small businesses owners, and content creators. How to schedule Instagram and Facebook posts using Meta Business Suite. Now, whether you want to stay consistent, save time, or plan content in advance, Meta Business Suite makes it easier than ever. Let's walk you through everything step by step, and by the end of the video, you'll be able to basically schedule your post like a pro. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, first things first, let's talk about on what is the Meta Business Suite. Now, it's the Meta's all-in-one platform to manage all of your Facebook and Instagram business accounts, allowing you to simply create and schedule posts, respond to messages and comments, view performance insights, and the best parts, you can run ads. It's 100% free and works on both desktops and mobile. You can access it by visiting business.facebook.com or downloading the Meta Business Suite mobile application. And so, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and set up Meta Business Suite. You want to make sure that your Facebook page and Instagram are linked. And so, to do this, you can just navigate through your Facebook page right here. And simply once inside your Facebook page, just click on the professional dashboard. Inside your professional dashboard, you then want to scroll down and look for the linked accounts. Engage with your community across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. And simply inside this setting, you will be able to go ahead and see Instagram, and you will be able to link both of your accounts together. And now, we are ready to go ahead and simply schedule our content for both platforms. And so, how can you go ahead and schedule a post on the Meta Business Suite right here? First things first, you just want to navigate through their official website, click on the Start Now button, and simply inside, you then want to navigate through the Meta Business Suite because there are two platforms right here. It's going to be the Ads Manager and the Meta Business Suite. Now, if the Start Now button didn't take you to the Meta Business Suite, you just want to click on the Get Started button, and you want to make sure that you are inside the business.facebook.com. From here, you then want to simply choose your page, and right after that, we are now ready to go ahead and schedule our post. But before that, once again, you can then go ahead and connect your Instagram account by clicking on the Connect Instagram button right here. Click on the Login to Instagram, and you will be able to simply connect Instagram and Facebook together. Now from here, the first thing that you want to go ahead and take a look at is the Planner section. And so let's just navigate through the Planner option. And inside Planner, this is where we can view and manage the content calendar. So to go ahead and schedule your post, you want to click on the Create Post button. Now you can see the Create Post button at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you will be able to go ahead and add your text caption, upload your images or videos, and even insert hashtags or emojis. Now in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and schedule this example post right here. Right after that, I'm going to set it into something like restricted because this is only a tutorial. But of course, in your case, you then want to set it to public. Now, once again, on the top left of your screen, you can then go ahead and see the preview for both desktop version and the mobile version right here. So you can just click on the desktop version and the mobile version. Now, to go ahead and schedule your post, you just want to click on the Publish button. It's going to be this button right here. And right after clicking on Published, you then want to simply click on the Published or Schedule Later button. So let's just wait for this to finish. Now there are basically two ways to do this. Once again, you can just click on the publish button, and the publish later or the schedule post will then go ahead and show up before actually posting your videos right here. But for the second method, we then want to go ahead and enable this specific setting in order to turn our post on. So once again, I'll just navigate through my schedule right here. I'll go ahead and paste or post this example text. Set your privacy settings, and right after that, you will be able to see this option called the publish button. But inside this page, you will be able to see the set schedule option above the publish button. In our case, it's going to be right above the privacy settings right here. So you then want to click on the set date and time, and from here we will be able to simply set the date and time on when we want the post to be published. So from here you can just go ahead and click on the date, select the date that you want your post to be published, and right after that you will then be able to choose your time. In my case, it's going to be May 13, 1:05 p.m. Click on the schedule post, and right after, it will then go ahead and schedule our post right here, on which we can then go ahead and see on our planner or our calendar. Now you can simply do the same thing on your mobile devices. You just want to download the application for the Meta Business Suite, click on the create button, then choose post. After choosing on post, you then want to select the platforms, write your post, add your photos or visuals, and right after that you then want to click on the schedule for later to set your date and time and hit on schedule, like what we've done on the desktop version right here. And so how can you go ahead and manage your scheduled posts? Once again, you just want to navigate through your schedule planner, and from here you can simply edit, delete your scheduled posts. Now if you want to go ahead and delete your post, you can just go ahead and click on it, and from here you then want to click on the three dots at the top left corner of this specific pop-up menu, and from here you can either edit, duplicate, reschedule, move to drafts, and delete post. And so if you want to change your schedule, you just want to click on this button and you will be able to simply set another date. And so let's go ahead and talk about some additional tips for your scheduling success. Number one, you want to use insights. You want to see when your audience is most active to schedule smartly. You want to batch your content. You want to plan and schedule content weekly or monthly. You then want to use template. You can save time by repurposing design formats. And lastly, you can preview mobile versus desktop layouts to ensure that it works or looks great everywhere.